If you want to watch your past games on chess.com, this is a super quick and useful feature to know. Whether you're reviewing your wins, learning from your mistakes, or just checking out a great game you played, chess.com makes it easy to open your game history and replay any match whenever you want. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your game history and watch your games step by step on chess.com. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once you're on the site and signed into your account, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of the main navigation options are located, including your play options and game tools. Now hover over Play in the left-hand sidebar. When you move your mouse over it, a menu should appear with more options underneath. This is where chess.com groups different play-related features, including access to your older games. From that menu, click on Game History. This will take you to the section where chess.com stores your past games. If you play regularly, this is especially helpful because it gives you a clear list of your previous matches in one place. Once you're on the Game History page, you'll see a list of your games. These may include recent games, older games, and different types of matches depending on your account activity. Take a moment to scan the list and find the game you want to review. To watch a game, simply click any game in the list. As soon as you select one, chess.com will open it and load the replay. This lets you go back through the moves one by one, so you can see exactly how the game unfolded. That replay view is really useful if you want to study your decisions, understand opening mistakes, or figure out where a match changed direction. You can pause, move through the moves, and follow along at your own pace while reviewing the board. If you're using this to improve your chess, a good habit is to watch your games right after you finish playing. That way, the moves are still fresh in your mind, and it becomes much easier to spot patterns, missed tactics, and better responses you could have played. And that's it. You now know how to use chess.com to watch your games through Game History. Just hover over Play, click Game History, and then select any game from the list to open the replay. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.